Hello ladies and gentlemen, mga kabang-bang. Drink tayo ng coffee to be healthy. We are currently here at Zodiac and we are on our way to look for Ern kasi si Au-Au po natin, yung aso na kasama namin ng nanay ko. Speaking of my nanay, there in my back, say hi. Yeah, ay wala na po. Nasa heaven na po siya. And there, later, kukunin natin yung ashes niya and join us as we look for her new house. Gonna look for an urn here. So, I'll show you where kayo pwedeng bumili ng urn dito sa Iloilo. Alright! We just came from La Paz earlier and walang pang doggy-doggy na sobrang maliit lang na urn. So we are here at Quintin Salas. That's the cemetery. And at the back, papuntang GMA yan. And here, just beside here. There's a small urn. Right, they got small ones for the dog and this is the human size na mga urn. So dito siya sa Quintin Salas. If you want some urn for your doggies, now let's choose for dog aus. We got 4 designs to choose from. We got some bamboo, parang egg shape jar. Then this one, yung fusion ng all. And consensus namin will have Au-Au here. Okay, so gonna take this one. Okay, we are now here at Higato. Yeah, we are currently here at Super sa wet market and bumili kami ng mga veggies for our vlog. Ready na ako magluto-luto. Cookeries na ako ngayon, no, diba? And pero syempre, makaon kita karon. We will be celebrating Rouse's Day. Rouse's Day with the Lord. Yes! Parang hindi lang halata, no? Whole day akong umiyak kahapon. Morning, lunch, dinner. Yeah. Yan. Give yourself whole day para magluksa. Para at least pagka next day, you'll feel better. You'll not be totally forgetting everything, but at least you'll feel better. Mas madaling mo kapag move on. Wow! Move on! Big word! Yeah. Ayun. Just so love my dog. She's more than just a dog. She's not just my pet, but my sister and my mother. Pag walang nanay ko, sasabihan niya, Au-Au! Bantayan mo ang imo ama, ha? Yes, she was my mother when I was in high school and even until now before she left us. There you go. So, kita karon para sa atin mukbang. Bye-bye! Excited ako sa inyo. Pakita nga to nga mga lutuon kay mag-cookies na kita. Yeah, kag may special guest ako sa next mga vlog. So, stay tuned! Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalim din. Ruby Inspired!